Hey everybody, my name is Darin and I'm making this video to encourage you to take a occupation in the technology field. I went to high school at a small high school called Canadian High School. It's just north of McAllister. Graduated with like 22 people. Went to Southeastern Oklahoma State in Durant, where I graduated summa cum laude the summer of '98 with my bachelor's in chemistry. I then went to Oklahoma State and got my PhD in chemistry. After that, I got a job with a company called Sasol, which is based out of South Africa. However, their North American research and development operations are here in Lake Charles, Louisiana, which is where I'm at now. The first job I had, since I specialized in analytical chemistry, was working in the gas chromatography lab. Did that for several years. And then I moved over to the NMR lab, which is nuclear magnetic resonance. Did that for a couple years. Moved back to the chromatography lab, and then for the last 3 years, I've actually been managing the analytics group in research and development here. Just to give you an idea what a typical day is like, I won't do one as a manager, I'll do one as in the lab. We actually work at a plant site. It's a petrochemical company. We make lots of things that go into surfactants. We make linear alkylbenzene, we make ethoxylates, we make alcohols. We're undergoing a huge expansion right now. So the majority of what I did was there were other research and development groups that are doing their own research. They're either trying to deformulate competitor samples, or they're trying to make something new, or they're trying to improve the process. Well, naturally, our lab is responsible for answering 3 questions. We say, okay, what is it? How much is in there, and are we sure, is basically the 3 questions we get. So each day was different. I would make a to-do list. The very next day I might not even touch my to-do list because I just got whatever came to my lab, in my analytical lab. It's very quick. We get lots of plant problems as well, so anything that's beyond the scope of quality control we get, and we try and troubleshoot their problems. I encourage you to take a job in technology because as far as what we're looking for as an employer, if you enjoy solving puzzles, if you enjoy solving problems, being on the cutting edge of technology, doing new things, investigating, these are all things that we're looking for. This is the kind of person that we want. So if you're interested in those kinds of things, I strongly urge you to get a career in science and technology. And then as one last shout out, I want to say thanks to Dr. Smith. Dr. Smith was actually the one that encouraged me to go to graduate school. I did undergraduate research for him. He was a huge role model to me. He was brilliant. He was a regular laid-back guy. He was just somebody that I really looked up to, a wonderful role model. He encouraged me to go to graduate school, and that's why I went. So anyway, thanks a lot, Dr. Smith, aka JT. Thanks, everybody. Bye.